Hi everyone, welcome back to Planning with Mel. Hi if you're new. Today we are going to do a sticker haul. I just received this package. This is my first time ordering from Nightingale Paper Co. And I am so excited. I opened it and let's see. I ordered a lot of little, I don't know their names. I need to learn their names. Sorry, I'm new to all of this, so I don't really know. And this is a little freebie giving. So cute, the little stickers. And then, let me see. Okay, so this is for vacuuming. Pizza. Movie night. Or movie time. And then for groceries, church, not today, dishes, haircut, sweep and mop, and then pencil it in or journal for grandparents. Laundry, I'm guessing it is more like folding laundry, and the peeking. And then we have headaches. I got 2 of those. The doctor, and then in bed, just scrolling on the phone. Shower, I got 2 of those. Oh, baby, careful. Sorry about that. Rain. And then laundry. The washing machine. And then we have this one. Netflix. And then I did buy some kits. This one is, I don't know the name of it. Reading Nook Bookshelf. Don't remember. There's those. I got kittens. The spring one.
Did you say kittens?
No. And then I have this one for spring. So cute. The washi. Oh. And then this one. And the washi. Cute. All right, and she did send a little card. Let me see. And oh, how cute. How sweet. All right, so this is all I received. Well, my order from Nightingale. I love it. I can't wait to use them in my Hobonichi cousin. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. If you want to see more of my videos, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to turn on that bell notification to notify you when I upload a new video. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!